Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Shafayat from Unlocktherapy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most searched questions online. Can you unlock an iPhone using the emergency call feature? Spoiler alert, the truth might surprise you, and it could save you from a lot of trouble. So, you've probably seen those viral videos or posts claiming you can bypass an iPhone lock screen using some kind of emergency call hack. But here's the deal. It's not just a myth, but attempting this could actually be illegal and might permanently lock your phone, or worse. Let's break it down. The emergency call feature on iPhones is designed to save lives. It lets you quickly call emergency services without unlocking your phone. But it's not a backdoor to access the rest of your device. Apple's security is tight for a reason. Alright, if you're locked out of your iPhone, here's what you should really do. Option 1, use Face ID or Touch ID. Got those set up? Boom, you're back in. Option 2, reset your passcode. If you can't remember it, you'll need to reset your iPhone. Here's how. Use iCloud to remotely erase it. Plug it into a computer with iTunes or Finder and restore it. Or, if you're on iOS 15.2 or later, there's even an Erase iPhone option right on the lock screen after multiple failed attempts. Let me be real with you. Trying to exploit any so-called hack to bypass an iPhone's security can lead to major consequences. Not only can it fail and mess up your device, but it could also get you in trouble legally. Don't risk it. For more detailed information, you can visit our website, unauthorized.net. Alright folks, now you know the truth. Forget the hacks and stick to legit methods to unlock your phone. If this video helped clear things up for you, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech tips and myth-busting content. Until next time, stay safe and stay tech-savvy.